folks, how are you doing? Today we are doing a very classic car acceleration review, not because this is a very sporty car, but because Volkswagen has not only released the new Tayron, but the best thing is they're still releasing cars with full diesel and petrol engines. So no electric car, no hybrid version, not even a mild hybrid version in this case. And we thought it's probably most interesting for us in the community to see how the 2-liter TDI with 4Motion, of course, and 193 horsepower compares to this one, the 2-liter TSI with 4Motion and 265 horsepower. Of course, this is a bit petrol engine versus diesel engine, and of course the petrol engine will be faster in the end. But nevertheless, it's nice to see how they pull and how they react in real life, also from an interior sound perspective. This car is actually in the R-Line trim, and you've already seen from the outside that the Tayron is not only, let's say, the Tiguan All-Space successor, but is a totally new vehicle compared to the Tiguan. It looks different from the front, from the rear, and also inside you have new materials, different stuff materials that weren't available in the Tiguan so far. We have a huge 15-inch screen in here, and of course those nice seats, and a very quiet cabin and a comfortable ride. So if you already have a Tiguan, this might be even a nice upgrade for you. So without further talking, we are starting it off with the TDI. So I will jump now in a purple TDI, show you the acceleration 0 to 100, and after that we will see how fast the 2-liter TSI goes 0 to 100 on the race box here and on the country roads. There's a real launch color in it. Oh yes. Revs quite high. Not too bad, I would say. It was a bit of slope in here, but a 7.87 seconds corrected probably 8 seconds, something like that. I have to put the time in here. It is not too bad at all for a diesel powered car. And this is a big car, I mean, in the end. It's a 7-seater car. It's no small SUV. So let's do another run in the other direction with different slope just to validate that time that we have here. Yes, that was even uphill run, 8.1 seconds. So it works quite well, I have to say that. So without further talking, we are now jumping to the 2-liter TSI and want to see how that car really performs. Left foot on the brake, right foot on the throttle, launch control is activated, and we're moving. Oh my goodness, that was quite quick. It was a bit of downhill, I have to admit, but it was the same spot as the TDI, so we can really compare the numbers. A 5.89 with a tiny bit of slope, so it's probably a flat 6 seconds, I believe, but we will do another run just to validate this one, just as we have done it in the TDI. So I guess you have seen some pretty nice runs in the new Tayron. As said before, this is a lot bigger car. The wheelbase is bigger. Of course, the trunk is a lot bigger, and it's a 7-seater if you wanna have it. Also, saying it again, it's quieter in the cabin because we have double insulation in the windows and also in the front windshield and then the back windows. That really helps. It makes it, I think, up to 4 decibel quieter than the Tiguan, the new Tiguan already was, and therefore also the new quality and the materials really add up to a more premium experience. I mean, those truck drivers are just crazy here. Man, adds up to a lot more premium character of the entire car, and I actually personally prefer the looks of the car. So without further talking, I think you have seen some very nice runs. Hope you enjoyed this short test that we have done with the Tayron, and really looking forward also to drive the other new VWs, which are coming very soon.